let's unbox some Sunny Angels. I like to open this one, the Dogtime series, and maybe the new Sunny Angel series, the snack series. Okay, so let's open first the Dogtime series. I want to get here the French Bulldog, or the Dachshund, or the Pug, and the Secrets, yeah, or a Robbie. Let's open it. Woo! Oh, it's so pretty. I got the French Bulldog. So pretty. Okay, next is the snack series. The one that I want from here is the French fries, the milkshake, the donut, and this sandwich. Yeah. But I think anything is okay since this is my first snack series. Okay. So, oh, no pa. Oh no! I got my head off. But it's the donut. Yeah. The donut is so cute. Here are my two pulls for today. The donut and the French Bulldog.